Today we are making super easy and delicious 3-ingredient chocolate balls. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are cocoa powder, condensed milk, and plain biscuits. I am using glucose biscuits, but you can use any plain one, like Digestives or tea biscuits. Just make sure they are not cream-filled or overly sweet. Step 1. We will mash our biscuits into crumbs. You can use a blender if you want.
"2,000 years later."
Step 2. We will add our biscuit crumbs into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix it well. Step 3. Now we will add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. Step 4. Now we will roll them into bite-sized balls. Step 5. Chill your chocolate balls in the fridge for 2 hours.
2 hours later.
That's it. Tasty, chocolatey, and perfect for any time of the day. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy DIY recipes. See you next time!